Have you ever spent time setting up view templates, text styles, dimension, and project settings in Revit, only to start a new project and realize you have to do it all over again? Well, here's the good news. You don't have to. In this tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to transfer your Revit templates and project standards from an existing project into a brand new project in just a few clicks. This simple workflow can save you hours of repetitive work and help keep all your projects consistent. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Step 1. Open both projects. The first thing we need is the new project receiving those settings, then the project containing the settings we want to copy. This is the new project. If you check the elevations, it's all at the default. We have default dimensions, default text. Click on File. Open the project you want to import the template. Here is it. Now this is the existing project, and here is the new project. Open the new project. Click on Manage, Transfer Project Standards. Click on it. From here you can choose what you want to transfer. At the default, everything is checked. But if you want to copy specific items, you can click Check None. Then you can manually check the items you want to import, like this. But I will use Check All. Click OK. If Revit finds matching setting in both projects, you will see a warning. Overwrite existing versions. Click Overwrite. Now the next step, verify the transfer. Let's confirm that everything is transferred correctly. Let's start from the dimensions. You've seen it. We have a custom dimension here. All the transferred dimension styles are here. And this confirms the process was successful. That is how you transfer Revit templates and project standards into a new project. It's one of the easiest ways to save time, maintain consistency, and avoid recreating settings from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials.